In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location asset to a single campaign using location groups in Google Ads. This process is incredibly useful for businesses wanting to enhance their local advertising efforts by making sure their location information is perfectly integrated into their online campaigns. It's easier than you might think, so let's get started. First things first, head over to the Google Ads website. You'll want to make sure you're on the right track, so locate the sign in button on the upper right hand side of the page and click on it. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up, but for today let's assume you're all set up and ready to go. Enter your credentials and sign in to access the Google Ads homepage. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to navigate over to the Campaigns tab. This is the main hub for all your advertising efforts, and it's where you can manage all aspects of your campaign activities. So go ahead and click on Campaigns. Moving on, look for the option labeled Assets and click on it. In Google Ads, assets are crucial elements that enhance your campaigns, providing additional context and value to your ads. They include things like images, location info, product details, and more. For the purpose of today's task, locating the right tab here is essential, as we're about to create a new asset. Now, it's time to click on Create Asset. This is where you will start to flesh out the asset details that will accompany your ad. You'll want to ensure everything is filled out accurately to make the most of this opportunity. This step unlocks your ability to provide detailed location information associated with your business. Next, click on Location. The location option allows you to specify the exact details of where you are or where customers can find you. This is a powerful tool for increasing your visibility for local searches, thereby tapping into targeted local markets effectively. Make sure the address, phone number, and any additional details are correct and consistent with other data. Remember, maintaining consistency across all platforms ensures that your customers can reach you without any confusion. Once you've entered all the necessary details, review them for accuracy and make any tweaks if necessary. By following these steps, you are enhancing the discoverability of your campaign locally, which can significantly increase your business's visibility. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. You've just learned how to add a location asset to a single campaign using location groups in Google Ads. I hope you found this guide useful and informative. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.